Physical therapy. It's a healthcare profession that lets you interact directly with patients, helping them improve their mobility, recover after illnesses or accidents, and regain independence in their day-to-day lives. It's an exciting and rewarding field for healthcare professionals. With this in mind, West Coast University has developed an intensive, concentrated Doctor of Physical Therapy curriculum that helps prepare students to pursue their physical therapy career. Using innovative learning methodologies that place experience and collaboration at the forefront, WCU's program empowers Doctor of Physical Therapy students by exposing them to interprofessional education opportunities where they interact with pharmacy, occupational therapy, physician assistants, and speech-language pathology students in academic and community settings. Offered over a 3-year period, students complete a minimum of 48 weeks of supervised clinical experiences and internships appropriate for their level of academic experience, offering the type of hands-on opportunities essential for professional achievement. As part of the program, students can gain the essential skills required to conduct physical therapy screenings, examinations, differential diagnoses, intervention care plans, and outcome assessments. Physical therapy presents one of the most exciting and rewarding opportunities in healthcare. Prepare yourself to gain the key skills, analytical thinking, and professional confidence required to manage, to achieve, and to lead. Learn more about the Doctor of Physical Therapy program at West Coast University.